Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is our version of chicken shawarma. I hope that's how you pronounce it. We're using chicken thighs for this recipe because we think it works best. The dark meat on the thighs is really tasty and juicy, but you can use whatever you got. Normally this dish is made on a kebab style vertical grill, but I haven't got one of them, so I've got an oven, so I'm going to use that. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. First, let's make the marinade for the chicken. Simply put the garlic, coriander, green chilli, juice of half a lemon, the yogurt, ground cumin, garam masala, tumeric and salt and pepper to taste in a food blender and blitz to a paste. How hard can that be? And don't worry if you didn't catch that whole list, I've listed the marinade ingredients separately in the description box below.
You've done it again!
What's the matter now? I need peace and quiet to narrate this video.
If you leave monkey fingerprints on my clean woodwork one more time, it's an ambulance you're going to need, not peace and quiet.
Oh, in the doghouse again. Next thing we do is prepare the chicken thighs. To do this, remove the skin and using a sharp knife, remove the bone. And to remove the bone, simply do what my wife's doing here. It takes a bit of practice, but you'll get it in the end. Then when your wife's done her butchery skills and removed the skin and bones from the chicken thighs, place in a suitably sized bowl, pour over the marinade and thoroughly mix through. Then when this is done, cover with cling film and it's off to a refrigerator for at least 2 hours. Then it's time to prepare the skewers. And the first thing you do is get a large potato, cut both ends off so it sits flat on the chopping board, and insert 2 skewers as you see here. Be careful you don't take your eye out. Then adjust the skewers and potato until it stands up on its end. And as Arkwright would put it, you may need to
jiggle it a bit.
And when you've done jiggling, thread on the piece of chicken over both skewers, as you see here. When this is done, place the second piece of potato over the top of the chicken, so you should have something that looks like this. Then place the chicken on a suitably sized oven-proof dish and it's off to a preheated 180°C oven for an hour and a half, or until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 75°C. We use a meat thermometer to make sure this comes up to the right temperature, and we recommend you do the same. And when the chicken reaches its internal temperature of 75°C, you're ready to serve. And I must say this chicken was juicy and very tasty. We do hope you enjoyed this recipe and feel free to give it a try sometime. See you on the next one. Bye for now.
Oh, that for dinner now.